Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have over here. I just opened up the box slightly here. It is by HiiFeuer, and you can see I have HiiFeuer. I have my shoulder pads on, I have my thigh guards, and I have my pouch. But what else do I need? I need a belt. So check out this belt. It's a nice leather looking belt here. And on the belt, you get to put these rings for different things. So this one here would be my sword holder. So let's see if I can put my sword holder on there. I will put some little rings so I can hold stuff on there. I'll put another little ring here. And then this one here, you could put something else on there, whatever. Another sword or whatever you want. And then you get to wear this on like so. Let me figure out how to put this on. So that would be there. This one here, I can have my sword on that side. Oh, well, aim me down a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing. And then I'm not exactly sure how best to do these belts, but I kind of like just do a flop over like that. So now I've got kind of a belt and a belt. But there we go. So I can put my sword in here. I don't really have a sword, but I have a knife, but I'm going to cut myself if I do that. I'll put that in there. So there, you can have your tools, whatever, into this one here. And then on the clips, wherever those are here, these little ones here, you can carabiner stuff onto it. Does this have a carabiner? No, I don't know what it does, but you can clip stuff into there or whatever. So you can have random other things hanging from it, keys and whatnot. And then I've got another loop back here. And then I have this one here for unmentionables. But there we go. So very cool and nice stuff. I love these companies here. Oop, I lost my little microphone cover. Hopefully you can still hear me. But that is it. So thumbs up. Really nice stuff from HiiFeuer. So definitely pick up your outfit from them because you look cool, like me.